So far, I've made over $100 just by mining on Wave Wallet. And the fun part is that the project is not even listed yet. Now, based on popular request, I am going to be showing you how you can do the same also in this video. But first of all, let's walk you through what Wave Wallet is all about and how to start on it. The first thing you want to do is check the link in the description box of this video. You register and get started, and that is basically it. Now, if I click on this wallet section and open up my account, you can see this is my page, and currently my balance here is $2.7, and that token there is SUI. If I click on this claim now page, you can see my ocean is currently 0, and that is because this is a fresh account that I am showing you guys on how to do or how to perform. Now let me click on this back button, and this is basically how your home screen looks like. All you have to do is pay simple attention if you want to understand how this works, because I know a lot of you are registered on it and still don't know how to go about on it. Now this is your page here. This is the home screen. What is important to us is this WIWI token. Sorry, this wave, whatever. Look at it here. That is the token, and currently you can see my balance is 0. That is because this is a new account. I have nothing here. I'm going to show you how to earn that tokens, but before you earn it, you need your ocean points. The ocean point is very important. That is what you are going to stake in order for you to get this main token, which is the wave token. Now going back, let me click on this claim now button, and once you click on it, you can see this is how my home screen looks like. Now my balance, if you look at the top left of your screen, my wave balance is currently 0.75. It was 20, but I have used it to upgrade, so now I'm left with 0. And I opened this account about 5 or 6 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. Now this is the most important page for us here. The first thing you want to know about this page is to click on this end section at the bottom left of your screen, and once it opens up, you complete all of this task. It is very necessary and it is simple. You just have to subscribe to their YouTube channel, join Wave on Discord, follow them on X, join them on Telegram, and that is basically it. I have completed all of this task already. Once you've done that, another thing you want to do, which is very important again, is by referring friends. Now, referrals is not compulsory. If whether you refer or not, you are still going to be receiving your airdrop, but there are special benefits to referral. First of all, if you refer people, you'll be able to get some amount of SUI. Like on my old account, for instance, because I have a lot of referrals there, sometimes they do give me free SUI. If you look at the top left of my screen here, you can see this place where my ocean balance is showing 0.75. Let's say, for instance, I referred some amount of friends and then they gave me maybe SUI for it. That button is going to turn red. For those of you that are OGs in the house, I already know about Wave. You understand what I'm talking about. And if you don't understand, make sure to check the description box. There is a first video I have made on Wave Wallet before on how to claim SUI on it. So you go and watch that video. It's pretty old, but it still works anyway. Or you can search through my channel here on YouTube, Toniostech. You definitely see the video. So once this plays, this section, once it turns red, all you simply have to do is click on it. Then it will bring a claim button. You click on the claim button, and then they'll give you some amount of SUI. It can be 2 SUI, it can be 3 SUI. It just depends if you refer well. And all you simply have to do is click on that referral section. Then you click on this invite friend. They'll give you your link. Then you can now share it to your family and friends or anybody you want to refer. This third part is also interesting and it's fun. Once you click on that treasure, you open it, you can see I have claimed it, and that is because I was able to refer. So for you, your task might be different, but basically you open it and then you complete the task on that page and then you claim a special benefit. Now going back on this page, there are 3 important things you have to take note of here. First of all, if you notice, my mining is set to 2 hours, but on my old account it's 24 hours because I upgraded it. These 2 hours now, which means my time here, if you look at the screen, is currently 47 minutes 26 seconds. So once the timer counts down, I'll have to come into this place again to click on claim. If not, my miner will be paused. So in order for you to increase the time, you can simply click on that level up. Note, once you open this your account for the first time, it's going to be set to 1 hour, but as time goes on, as you keep ending on it, it will increase to 2 hours. And I don't know if it's going to increase to 3 hours, 4 hours on its own without leveling up. I don't know, I've not been patient enough to check, but I know that definitely it is going to upgrade to 2 hours on its own, because I have not done any leveling up for this my timer and it's currently in 2 hours. So I know that one for sure. Now if you click on this level up, you can see you need 20 ocean points before you'll be able to increase it to 3 hours. And then after you increase to 3 hours, they might increase the ocean points that you need maybe to 30 or 40 for you to increase to 4 hours, then to 6 hours, and then to 24 hours thereabouts. 24 hours is my favorite, and that is what I did on my main account. So I had to go into it and claim every 24 hours, and that is what that basically does for you, because some of us might claim 2 hours and then in the next 2 hours we forget, and like that. So if it is set to 6 hours or 24 hours, I think it's pretty easy. Now if I exit from this page here, look at this level up button here. This one now increases the amount you earn per hour. Currently you can see I'm earning 0.75 per hour, but I have leveled up. Just like I told you initially, I had I had 20 ocean points here, but I used to level up to this 0.75 hours, and then they are telling me that I need another 100 SUI if I want to increase my speed again. So it means I have to be patient enough to mine this up to about 100 or more before I can now use it to upgrade again, and that is basically it. Also, this section also increases your mining speed, but here they are not charging you your ocean. What they're charging you is SUI. And currently I think the value of SUI currently should be $3 per SUI. I don't know. For those of you that are checking the market, you can get it from Bybit or Bitget. So if you deposit your SUI, you can use it to upgrade on this place. And this is a good project, just like I've told you. The project is not listed yet, and on my old account I've made over $100 on it. So if you follow simple instructions, you also be able to make the same thing even before they get listed. And that is basically it. I think we are done on this page. Now back to showing you how to earn this main token here, which is the wave token. The way to earn it is, first of all, you have to be patient enough to earn these ocean tokens. And once you earn the ocean tokens, you now stake the ocean tokens for you to be able to earn the wave token. And to earn it, all you simply have to do is click on that section there. Once you click on it, you are going to see these three options: battle game, lucky wheel, and staking. And what we need here is our staking. If I click on this staking, there are different options to pick from, and what you want to put is this first one that allows you to earn wave points. So once you click on it, you click on this stake, and then you can see currently I have no ocean on my wallet, and that is why the button is like this. But if I have some ocean, they're going to bring it, and then I can put the amount I want to stake and click on stake, and then they'll give me the option of either increasing my stake or reducing my stake. And mind you, by staking, you not only earn wave tokens, you also earn some amount of SUI, and SUI is already in the market, which you can withdraw anytime you want. And that was how I was able to make about $100 from this project, just like I've told you initially. Now exiting from this page, the other important thing we want to take a look at is this D app section. Look at it here. So if you click on this, there are the app section. There are a lot of interesting things going on here. First of all, there's wave trading, there's wave pad, and then there is staking, which we've talked about. You can take your own time, your own free time to explore all of this. But then I've showed you the basics on how this app basically works. Now, if you click on this game section, you can see there's wave game, there's lucky wheel, there's battle, and that is that. If I click on this lucky wheel, which is actually my favorite, I'll need to purchase tickets for me to be able to partake in the lucky wheel. And for this first one, the daily wheel, I'll need 10 SUI for me to be able to purchase one ticket. The maximum you can buy per day is using 100 ocean tokens to buy ticket. Once you use 100 ocean tokens, you'll not be able to buy any tickets again until the next day. And this second part, which is the NFT section, you need SUI for you to be able to purchase. So this one, they are not debiting or charging you your ocean point. But then that is basically that. Like I'll say, after watching videos like this, make sure to also do your personal research so you can understand the project more, how it works. Now, this project is not listed here, just like I've said, but then there are a lot of tokens that are on it that you can even get for free. For instance, if I click on this swap section And here is my page. Here if I click on this SUI, you can see these are all of the tokens that are on it, including their prices. And all you simply have to do if you want to get it is just to deposit some amount of USDT that you can purchase from a trusted vendor of your choice, or you get it from Bybit, BitGet, Binance, any exchange at all, and then you deposit to this page. You can now convert to any tokens of your choice. And that is basically it. And if you want to get your wallet address, it's pretty easy. All you simply have to do is click on this deposit. It doesn't matter what token you are sending here, be it USD, be it USI, it doesn't matter. This is a non-custodial wallet, and if you notice, they gave you a seed phrase, which is very important. I actually lost an Ocean account because I was careless enough not to save my seed phrase. So in order for you not to do that mistake, make sure you save your seed phrase, and it's pretty easy. What you simply have to do is click on this toggle icon at the top left of your screen. If I click on this seed phrase section, my seed phrase is going to display, which I'll now have to copy and save in a safe place, which I have done already. Of course, I don't want to make the same mistake twice. So you have to basically do that. All right, that is all what I am going to show you on this page. And let me add one more thing. You can see this wave trading here. If you click on it, there's another token on this also. It's called Wiwi token. Now, there are some tasks you have to do in order for you to be able to earn these Wiwi tokens. And the tasks are basically simple. Look at the first one here. They say it's a join wave announcement, join squad, invite a friend, and all of this, and then you are able to earn Wiwi tokens. Currently, my balance is 100. I have not completed all of these tasks. Just like I said, this is a new account. So after this video, I'm going to be completing all of these tasks one by one. And Wiwi tokens, if you look at the top right of your screen here, they say it is 5 days left to TGE. So this one is another token on this Wave wallet that is still going to be listed, and it is in about 5 days time. So if I were you, there is currently no time again. Hop on this update and start performing on it as fast as you possibly can. Now, if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell icon to get more notifications whenever we upload a video like this. And if you want to stay updated with our updates, make sure you use the link in the description box of this video to join my Telegram channel.